Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my fall favorites. I mentioned in my September favorites video that I was just going to create a whole video dedicated to my fall favorites since I have so many. I have quite the variety to share with you guys, but anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to find out my fall favorites, then just keep watching. First, I'm going to start off with my favorite Bath & Body Works items for the fall, and I tried to narrow it down, but I wanted to mention some candles. I have a body lotion and then a hand soap. So I have 3 candles to share with you guys that I've been loving so far. The first one, you're gonna guess, you're gonna know what it is. I mentioned it in my September favorites. Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. So this is a brand new one that I will probably start burning sometime soon. It just smells amazing, you guys. I love it. I will read the notes to you. It is maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. I feel like I've read those notes to you, 3 or 4 times now in the last month, but it is such an amazing candle, you guys. It's one of my favorite. I've already gone through pretty much one so far for the month of September. And then my next favorite candle, and I also love the bulbs in it as well, is Autumn. This one is so nice. I really love like the little wallflower fragrance bulbs in it as well. It just makes my bathroom, any room I plug it in, smell amazing. But this candle, you guys, it just smells like autumn, so that's not going to help you guys, but it is bright red gala apple, juicy fig, eucalyptus leaf, fir balsam with essential oils. So this one is another one of my favorites. It just smells absolutely amazing. My last favorite candle, I don't think I've ever mentioned to you guys before. I didn't purchase this last month. This is from last year, but this is a brand new one left over from last year during like one of their sales. It's Chestnut and Clove. This one I like to burn later in fall, and so I haven't burned this one yet, but this one every year, I love it. I love it around like Thanksgiving time. I even start burning this in like around early December as well. It just smells, it smells amazing, you guys. It's definitely different, and it's not like it's sweet like the other 2 candles that I mentioned. So I will read the notes to you guys. It's warm roasted chestnut, fresh ground clove, and cedarwood. But this one, I feel like I don't hear too many people talk about. I know like a lot of the favorites are like marshmallow fireside, sweater weather, like all those, but I never hear people talking about chestnut and clove, and this one is great, you guys. I would definitely recommend this one next time you are in Bath & Body Works. I know they have it. It doesn't look like this, but they do have it. Next is my favorite hand soap that I've been loving from Bath & Body Works. It's Harvest Gathering. I did mention this one in my Bath & Body Works haul, but this one smells really nice, and I will smell my hands like an hour later and they still smell like this hand soap. So anyways, the notes are fresh picked apples, autumn berries, and clove buds. So it even has the clove like from this candle. That's probably why I like it, so it's a little bit similar. But this smells like fall to me, you guys. I mean, a lot of these smell like, I need to stop saying that it smells like fall, because all of these smell like fall to me. But I was gonna get the candle in this, but I didn't, because it reminded me a little bit of Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, and it reminded me a little bit of this one. So I was like, and I have Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, the candle, so I was like, you know what, let me just hold off, because if you guys haven't gone to Bath & Body Works recently, the amount of candles they have is so overwhelming. And it's actually not even a good thing, because it's overwhelming. Like, I spent way too much time in there when I was trying to initially pick out what candles I wanted to purchase, and I know they do that purposely. They come out with new scents and fragrances like more and more every year, and it's just way too overwhelming. But anyway, so this is a really good hand soap. I've really been loving this one for the fall. It smells really nice. And then lastly, from Bath & Body Works, I wanted to shout out my favorite body lotion in the fall. I love this. This is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. It's really weird because the body lotion smells nothing like the candle. It's really weird, but I love the way that this body lotion smells. I will smell it all day, and I'm gonna say it again, you guys, but when I have this on, it just smells like fall to me, and I need to stop saying that. But this has coconut oil and shea butter and vitamin E, and the notes are heirloom pumpkin, autumn cinnamon, ginger snap, and whipped vanilla. This is such, oh my god, it's so nice. And I've actually tried to like I've attempted to try their other body lotions that they offer in the fall, and I always go back to this one, and this is the only one that I ever will wear. It's just so nice, and you will smell all day. So Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin is definitely my favorite body lotion for fall. So I'm gonna stick to like fragrance related items, but they're cleaning products. So I actually have 2 cleaning products to share with you guys for the fall. So this first one I actually picked up, I want to say late August, and I've been using it quite a bit. This is the Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Surface Cleaner in Honey Crisp Apple. So perfect for fall, perfect for this time of year. It just smells like juicy apples. I got this at Target. It's very inexpensive, and I like it because it's a multi-surface cleaner. I feel like I use this all the time, especially when I don't want to use my Caldrea, which I've mentioned in a couple other videos before. The Caldrea is really nice for a cleaning or a countertop spray, but it is kind of expensive, so I just try to limit myself to once a week with that. But in between, when I need to just touch up any of like the countertops, which seems like it's every day lately, I like to go in with this. This is really nice. It smells like apples, and I mean, you can probably even get this, I know you can get this online. I don't know if they sell this on Amazon. I will look and see if I can link it, but Target carries it. And then next, you guys, so I went into Target for one thing, came out with a million other things, but I was happy because I found this. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. I don't know if this is a new scent or not, but it's a new scent for me. And oh my goodness, this is going to be a favorite for me probably in the wintertime as well, because it's one of those like scents that is like fall and winter, because it's like that acorn. But you guys, this smells so nice, especially when you're cleaning your countertops and everything. So these are my 2 favorite cleaning products for the fall, and cleaning products are very important, especially if you watch my channel. You know I love to clean, so these ones are great. I love them. I have one beauty related item for the fall. I think I did mention this in my September favorites, but I will mention it again. This is my favorite fall lipstick. It is MAC Twig. I'm not wearing it today, but I will just kind of swatch this out for you. So this is a little bit more of a berry toned. It's not as neutral as I typically go toward, but it's really beautiful, you guys, and I think it's so stunning, perfect for the fall. I wouldn't wear this year round, but more toward like the colder or the cooler seasons, I like to wear this. It's really pretty. I really like it. That's what it looks like again. And it was funny because I was saying in my September favorites, I was going through a lot of my darker berry tone lipsticks. I'm like, oh my goodness, I forgot about MAC Twig. And actually MAC Twig, this is a really popular shade, I know, for the fall. And then the last 3 items are food/beverage related. So these I mentioned in my August favorites, and I saved them for my fall favorites. I wasn't going to mention them in my September favorites because I knew I was doing this video. But you guys, oh my goodness, these are the Nature's Path Pumpkin Spice Waffles. Now this gets a life-changing, to describe as life-changing, and I don't know if it's good or bad, but I eat these like every day, you guys. Like, I am not kidding. And now I am going to different Targets to stock up on them because they're all sold out. I went to my local Target, and I'll usually buy like 2 or 3 boxes at a time. I do my grocery shopping, at Walmart, but they don't carry this, which they should. So I went to my local Target to get them again. They were all gone. And then I went to one that was like 30 minutes north of me, and they had 3 boxes left, so I just bought them all. You guys, these are delicious. Like, I've tried a lot of different waffles, and these ones just take it. And it's crazy because I didn't even think I would like the pumpkin spice, but they're just so amazing. And what I like to do is I put a little bit of like sugar-free syrup and a little bit of fat-free Ready Whip or whatever. And these are, and then sometimes I put blueberries or strawberries on top. And 2 of them are 210 calories, so that's not bad at all. But they're so delicious, you guys. And now I know, like, I'm kind of like upset. Maybe I told too many people about these, but they're just sold out all the time. But I understand why. They are just delicious. So my favorite fall coffee, if you couldn't have guessed, because Dunkin' Donuts really just doesn't have any more flavors for the fall. I asked the other day because I was kind of like wanting to switch it up from pumpkin, but it's pumpkin. I've been doing pumpkin a lot lately, and I'm actually like spilling this all over right now. I have a little bit left in this. I was drinking it earlier, but what I like to do is, this is a medium, so I do either 1 or 2 pumps of the pumpkin. I think for a medium the standard's 3, but it's just too sweet for me, so I will either do 1 or 2 pumps, and then I do a little bit of almond milk, and that's it. And it's perfectly fine for me, but it's really nice, and I can only drink this for like 2 months. I do like it in the fall, but after that, like, I can't drink it anymore. Some people can drink this all year round. I like to, you know, try different flavors. I think, what is it? Peppermint mocha is a coffee flavor for around the holidays that I like to try. So when that comes out, I will definitely not be getting this anymore, but I did want to shout this out. It is really good. It's even good cold. So I wanted to include one of my favorite alcoholic drinks for the fall, and if you guys don't drink alcohol, then you can ignore this. I just wanted to include it because it is so delicious. It's me and my husband's favorite, but it is the Jack Daniel's Fire Whiskey. So it's like Fireball, but it's like not. It's just so much smoother and so much better. It's, you know, it's definitely more money. Like, I think the smaller bottle is like $35, but it's worth the money, you guys. It's so smooth. So it's Jack Daniel's Fire Whiskey. It tastes just like cinnamon and apple cider. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's so delicious. And you can, right now we put like ice cubes in it and we drink it cold, but around like when it starts to get like really cold out, we will heat it up and you can drink it warm as well. So apple cider with the Jack Daniel's Fire Whiskey, and I think they probably sell like other brands of Fire Whiskey as well. It's so good, you guys. Everybody that we have try it loves it. Like, when we have people over or go to a party, they love it. So I just figured I would mention that because once you try it, you'll be hooked as well. It's so nice. Just realized that I did skip a food related item, and I actually did a video on this, but I love baking breads this time of year. So I did a chocolate chip pumpkin bread video. I'll link it down below, but it's so delicious, you guys, this time of year, especially when it comes right out of the oven. I will also do banana breads, but since it's fall, I've been doing pumpkin breads, but either or are perfect for the fall. It seems like I'm making them almost like every week now, or on the weekends. My husband likes for me to bake for him on the weekends, but these breads are great to bring anywhere, to like a party, a get together, if you're going to your parents' house for dinner, anything like that. Everybody will love it. So I will link my video showing you guys how I make my chocolate chip pumpkin bread. You don't even need to include the chocolate chips, but it is absolutely delicious, and it's definitely been a favorite of mine, whether I'm bringing it somewhere or eating it for myself. So it's crazy because even though I mentioned quite a bit of items, I feel like I'm forgetting some fall favorites, but I think that is it for now. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below, are any of these items that I mentioned your fall favorites? And if not, what are your fall favorites? What are your favorite foods, beverages, candles, scents, etc.? I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.